Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Okay, how many students uploaded that objective answers? Anyone uploaded indefinite integrals objective? Yes, only two members, Anjali and Likita. In that, how many questions you know? At least that questions you can upload. Okay. So today I'll give the one more thing to you. In the objective only, relations and functions you can do. Okay. This is by Saturday again. Today anyhow Tuesday it is. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. By Saturday we have to complete that relations and functions objective. This relation functions also I think Banu Prasad already turned in. The remaining students also can do that. Relations and functions. Today I can start all of you. Hmm. Yesterday what we done? Please tell me. I think yesterday we are finding the area bounded. Okay, the bounded region by two circles we done. Is correct? By two circles we done. On one circle and parabola, two parabolas and two circles we done yesterday. So that is only last concept in the chapter. So if you take in the two circles, yes, that is enough. Okay. If one last question you can write now. All of you can write in the last question you can write.
Yes,
Find the area of region. Yes, tell me.
sir. What was the answer to the question he gave yesterday, sir? Last question.
Yesterday, what is that? X square plus y square equal to 16 and y square equal to 6x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That one, and their area equal to 4 by 3, 4 by 3 into 8 pi minus root 3 square units. 4 by 3 into 8 pi minus root 3 square units. Now this one I can write now all of you. Find the area of region. Find the area of region. The area of region enclosed between area of region enclosed between two circles. Enclosed between two circles. Two circles. That is x square plus y square equal to 4 and 4 and x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 4. Okay, here we have to find the area. Okay, the area enclosure between the two circles we have to find now. The two circle equations they gave. One is x square plus y square equal to 4, and second one is x minus 2 whole square plus 4 it is. First here also same thing only. So first you can find the center of the first circle and the second center of the second. In the same way, radius also we have to find. So this one you can write now x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 square. So clearly for this one, the center equal to how much? 0 comma 0, and radius equal to 2. The first one it is. In the same second also you can take here now. This is the x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 2 square. Here center equal to 2 comma 0, and radius equal to 2 only. Radius equal to 2. Now we can draw the graph. For finding the bounded region, you should draw the graph here. So suppose if you take a graph graphically, this is the x-axis, the origin, and y and y dash. If you take in the first circle, the center will be origin means clearly the radius equal to 2 means, so you can draw this is the first circle it is. The first circle. This radius equal to 2 centimeters, okay, 2 units. And second one center equal to how much? 2 comma 0. That means clear the point 2 comma 0 is clearly this is the 2 comma 0. So with this center, I think clearly we'll get now the radius equal to means this is the second circle now. This is the second circle. Okay, the second circle. Now we have to find the area bounded by a two circles. Then what is that? We have to find this. We have to find the completely, but just under I'm taking here now. Actually, we have to find the complete. The center thing is required to us. Just you can find the area of the only one part you can find and take double. The total area will get. But finding this area, it is first we require this point also required. So how to get this point here? By solving these two circle equations, we'll get this. These two circle equations will get. So first you can write now the first given information. This is the first equation, and second equation you can take here now. So solve 1 and 2. You can solve 1 and 2. First and second equation. Second circle equation. Clearly based on the second one, it is y square equal to what you can tell me the very first equation. Y square equal to 4 minus x square. This is you can substituting in the second equation. So what you get x minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus x square equal to 4. Equal to 4 now. Clearly these will be cancelled both sides. So x minus 2 whole square equal to x square. Now expand this value now. So a square plus 4 minus 4x is equal to x square. Clearly, and these two also cancel again. So that implies 4 minus 4x is equal to 0. So the value of x equal to will get 1. The value of x equal to 1. So the value of x equal to 1 means the value of y equal to what you get? The x equal to 1 you can substitute in there now. Clearly this is the 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So the value of y equal to root 3 plus or minus root 3. Plus or minus root 3. So that points you can take here now. Means top one point to bottom one point. If you take this point, then what you get? The value of x comma y equal to 1 comma root 3 is the one point, and the second point x comma y equal to 1 comma minus root 3 is the point. So this is the 1 comma root 3 and this point is 1 comma minus root 3. So immediately then first from the intersection point you can draw line perpendicular to the x-axis here. So area of the first part plus area of the second part you can take. So area of the first part is with respect to the this circle. The limits will be 0 to 1 plus area of the second part, the limits will be from 1 to 2, 1 to 2 with respect to the this circle. Okay, so you can find clear that one. So therefore, area of bounded region is equal to area of bounded region equal to 2 into, because why and again 2 here means the two parts are there now, 2 into integration of first one 0 to 1. The first part you can do with respect to the this circle. What is the circle now here? X minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 4. So based on that, the value of y square equal to what you get? The value of y equal to square root of 4 minus x minus 2 whole square. This one I can write now. So square root of 4 minus x minus 2 whole square into dx plus and second part 1 to 2. If taken first equation here, what you get? Because this is the first line, first circle it is. So y square equal to 4 minus x square. So clearly you can write the root of 4 minus x square into dx. 4 minus x square into dx. But clearly it is x minus 2 is there. So compulsory we have to take the substitution or else it's not possible. So first you can take here, no, let x minus 2 equal to take t. Difference dx equal to dt. We get now dx equal to dt. So both they can substitute in there. 2 into integration of 0 to 1 square root of 2 square minus t square into dt is the first one. Clearly this one you can write now, directly can apply the formula. So integration of 2 square minus x square into dx. Now you can tell me the formula, root of a square minus x square formula. A square minus x square frequently we are getting. Tell me the formula. A square minus x square, x by 2 is correct. So x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2. That means we will get now clearly 4 by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse x equal to t by 2. This is, you can take here now small bracket. This is 0 to 1 plus here also same thing again. So this is the clear, you can write x by 2 into root of 4 minus x square plus a square by 2 means clearly here also 4 by 2 into sin inverse of x by 2. The 1 to 2 it is 1 to 2. So I can substitute in there now upper limit minus lower limit. Simplify that. So therefore area is equal to 2 into upper limit minus lower limit. If you take an t equal to 1 means you will get clearly 1 by 2 into root of 2 square means you will get 4 minus 1 plus 4 by 2 equal to 2 only, and sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2. The first one is again if you take lower limit means minus 0 by anything equal to, you will get clearly 0 only. So don't take that value. Plus x by 2 means you can write that upper limit is 2 only. So 2 by 2, 2 by 2 into root of, and 4 minus 4 will get clearly plus 4 by 2 equal to 2 only, and sin inverse of 2 by 2, sin inverse of 2 by 2. This is the first one it is, and minus of lower limit also you can take here. Lower limit means 1 by 2 into root of 4 minus 1 plus 4 by 2 means 2 only, and sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2. I think clearly we are getting, and these two will be same. I am correct now? These two will be same here. This is the positive and this is the negative. So clearly you can cancel the two values. You can cancel the both. So area is equal to 2 into, the remaining will be only this one is there now. 2 by 2 equal to 1 now. And this become that 0 only. The remaining is only 2 into sin inverse of 1. 2 into sin inverse of 1 it is. 2 2s are 4. Sin inverse of 1 equal to clearly pi by 2. 2 in this number 2 times. It is equal to 2 pi square units. 2 pi right now, right now, all of you can write. Copy this. And here now, all of you should remember one more thing also. In definite integrals, still we are not doing that. Okay, 2 minutes. Listen to me, all of you. When you are taking the substitution, it's fine that. But in the same way, we have to change the limits also. That is the more important. Suppose if you taken this value, x minus 2 equal to t we are taking. That means first you can find the value of t here now. The value of t we have to find here. Then how to get, tell me? X equal to 0 to 1 we are taking. If you take an x equal to 0, so the value of t equal to how much? The value of t equal to minus 2 na? Correct? Respond. T equal to minus 2. The value of x equal to 1 means then what you get, tell me? Remember the value of t equal to minus 1. So these two limits we have to take. So when you are taking this one, no, but rest second term will be same, correct only. Understood? No need to simplify anything. This will be correct. But don't cancel this number. Yes. So this is a clearly can write now minus 1 to minus 2. Just starting I forgot to take this value because when you are changing this value to the in terms of t, compulsory limits also we have to change because these two numbers are values of x here now. This is x equal to 0 to 1. But this is we are writing in terms of t means clearly these values must be compulsory. The two values must be compulsory. The values of t, that is starting we are not taking. When you're differentiating, we got x minus 2 equal to t means dx equal to dt, it's fine that. But the two values also can change that. If x equal to 0, then the value of t equal to minus 2. If x equal to 1, the value of t equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. So the limits will be clearly get from minus 1 to 2. This is the second term will be same. No doubt at all. The formula also same. So here you can write now minus 1 to minus 2. Yes. So minus 2 we are taking means then what you get, tell me? This is the minus 2 whole square means you'll get plus only. This is the minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 means you'll get minus 1. Correct. And 2 into sin inverse of this also will get minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2. And for this one you can take here the minus of one more thing also. Minus 1 also we have to take. Minus 1 by 2 into root over 4 minus minus 1 whole square means you'll get 1 only. Plus 2 into this one you can write now sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2. Yes. Similarly, this value area equal to 2 into minus 1 becomes 0 only clearly. And minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1. Anyone tell me please that sin inverse of minus 1 equal to how much? All the previous we got inverse trigonometry. Sin inverse of minus 1. Bono. Sin inverse of minus 1. Sin inverse of minus 1.
Minus 5 by 2.
2 by 3, sir.
It's not how much? 2 pi by
3.
2 pi by 3, na? If you take in sin inverse of minus 1, this is equal to minus sin inverse of 1. That means what you get? Tell me this value. Minus 5 by 2, na? Is correct? Sin inverse of minus theta equal to minus sin inverse of theta. Only if you take care of cos and cot, then pi minus we will get. Okay, so minus pi by 2 only. So this one you can write now, clearly 0 it is. So 2 into minus pi by 2, first one it is, and minus of second value, minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Anyhow, if you want, you can simplify that. This is the minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Again, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 equal to how much? Sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to 30 degrees. So pi by 6. So minus 2 into pi by 6. Minus 2 into pi by 6. This is the 0 clearly. And 2 into sin inverse of 1 equal to will get now pi by 2. Pi by 2 now. And minus of this is the right now root 3 by 2. And minus into plus equal to minus 2 into pi by 6. Sorry, 2 into pi by 6. I can simplify all the values now. 2 will be cancelled. And 2 in this number 3 times. 2 also cancel. And 2 in this number 3 times. So area equal to 2 into, this is the minus pi, and minus into minus equal to plus root 3 by 2, minus into minus equal to plus is the pi by 3 plus pi, plus into minus minus root 3 by 2, next plus into minus equal to minus pi by 3. Clearly, these two also cancel. Whoa, we got now everything will be zeros. No, 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 no. It's not possible. How to get all the values are 0? No, right now. Complete fast. The same model you will do the some different integral questions. Then you'll get more clarity regarding that.
Sir, what is the answer, sir?
But according to this one, we are getting the 0 answer here. But 0, it's not 0. It's not 0. That's why I'm seeing that. But rest will be correct one. We can write now. Nothing happen. Maybe somewhere it is the one small one sign mistake we done, I think. Two into two sin units of 1. Because it is the for getting the 0, it's not possible because some area is there now. What is the meaning of that area equal to 0 when it's possible? Nothing. Okay, the bounded region will be nothing means you'll get 0. But getting the 0, it's not possible. Suppose if you take in the 2 separately for everything, it is these 2 will be separately here, and these 2 also if taken separately means under 2 2s are 4 minus this value is correct only 4 pi by 2. We will do that changes also. It is suppose instead of taking the directly only one time, that 2 separately we will take for the separately for both of them, and the first term will be separate and second term is separate. Once you can check it that also, once verified that also. Now once 2 into that means these 2 you can take only for the first term. Where is the first term here? Now up to here, and here you can take here now one more 2. 2 into this one you can take separately. So this is the 2 into minus pi plus root 3 by 2 and minus pi by 3 with the first one plus 2 into pi minus root 3 by 2 minus pi by 3 minus pi by 3. So area is equal to then what get minus 2 pi minus 2 pi plus this is the root 3 minus 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi and minus root 3 and minus 2 pi by 3. Yes, now these two will be negative values. So plus minus, these two also cancel. You can add both of them, minus 4 pi by 3. Now you can write now. The same model we will take some different integrals. We will take 2 questions. Then we'll get more clarity regarding that. Right now that question. We'll do substitution method. We'll do some 2 or 3 questions and different integrals. Because already we done so many questions. If you want, once you can check it. Okay. You can write this one, the last step. And minus into minus also, here minus into minus plus. And minus into minus equal to this also get plus. Yes. Plus means will get cancelled. Everything 0 you are getting. One question right now. Different integrals. Find integration of 2 to 3. 2 to 3. X by x square plus 1 into dx. Find the integration of 2 to 3. Integration of 2 to 3. 1 by x square minus 1 into dx. 1 by x square minus 1 into the x. Oh, no. Substitution method only we will take. Where are the substitution methods? Integration of minus 1 to 1 5 into x power 4 into root of x power 5 plus 1 into dx. X power 5 plus 1 into dx. Okay, these questions once you can try that. Previous one you can write now, but actually here we are getting the zero. It is I will say that for the last step. I think we're, if you want just once you can check it one more time. It is when you taken the upper limit minus lower limit, then once you can check it that one. I also see that. So once you've done this one means first all of you can start these questions. A different integrals it is. If one just you can see the one small question here now. Generally, suppose if you taken this problem here now, clearly we have to find the integration means, but directly we can't find that. So compulsory we have to take the substitution. We have to take here now substitution. So when I taking the substitution, because the previous problem here we done the same thing only. That's why I am taking these examples here now. I'm taking same examples. So if you take in first one, suppose put x square plus 1 equal to, we are taking the t now, substitution here. X square plus 1 equal to, I am taking t. Differentiate now. So 2x is equal to dt by dx. Then the value of dx equal to dt by 2x. This is fine. And here only all of you should remember that. But when you are taking the substitution and when converting into in terms of t, but here they given the limits is given. That means whatever they given limits, that limits will be the values of x it is. But here converting into t means the values of x also in converting into in terms of t only. That means based on this condition, we have to find the values of t you can find. Now you can take clearly 2 to 3 is there. So first you can take put x equal to 2. That means otherwise you can take here now let x equal to 2. This is the first limit. So when you're taking x equal to 2, the value of t equal to how much? 5. We have to change it. Next, when you're taking x equal to 3, the value of t equal to 10. The two numbers we have to change. Okay, especially in different integrals. But suppose if you take indifferent integrals, we done that directly. Because there are no limits at all. They given directly we are doing the integration. But coming to different integrals now, we have limits are there. But generally, whatever the given limits, means here dx is there, means with respect to x we are doing means the two values must be the values of x only. The two values are values of x. We are taking the substitution, I mean we are counting into in terms of t, but definitely the two limits also we are counting into the values of t. That is the more important. So now we can find it. So therefore, integration of, now the limits will be different. Now it's not a 2 and 3. The limits will be 5 to 10 it is. Integration of 5 to 10. You can write clearly x by t into dt by how much? 2x. And x and x will be cancelled. The remaining will be 1 by 2. You can take outside the 5 to 10 1 by t into dt. So integration of 1 by t equal to, clearly we know that log modulus of t. So you can write 1 by 2 into log modulus of t. Here also clearly you can write now the limits will be 5 to 10. Now you can take upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 2 into, this is the log 10 minus log 5. Log 10 minus log 5. So that the answer will be 1 by 2 into log 10 by 5 equal to log 2. This is the final answer. Okay. 1 by 2 into log 2. Because these are the very basic questions. Because if you understand clearly different integrals like this, because without doing the different integrals, we done these questions here now. because for that chapter is required for us. Okay, in the same way, all of you once again try this question also. Try this question, all of you. Try this question. First, once please respond anyone it is. I think you got the confusion or it's okay. Or else we will recall again. Please respond. Simply you're sitting silently means, but I can't understand.
Sir, you did not write plus C.
This integration, huh? This is the definitely we were finding the value. Understood now? Here we are finding the value. Plus, you no need to write that. Here, when you're substituting that the values of upper limit and lower limit, we got the one constant, we got the one value there. Okay. So no need to write plus C in the definite integrals. Only in indefinite integrals only we have to write. Okay. In indefinite integrals, we are finding the expression there. That means it's not value. We will get the value in time, we answer in terms of maybe some other variable. In terms of x, in terms of y, we'll get like this. But definite integrals will get direct value. That's the difference between both the indefinite and definite integrals. Solve this question. Here also take same. The center thing and a substitution. Let x power 5 plus 1 equal to, you can take t. Okay. And differentiate. 5 into x power 4 equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. So clearly you can write now the value of dx equal to dt by 5 into x power 4. 5 into x power 4. So you can substitute in there now. But when you're substituting this value t in place of x power 5 plus 1, the two limits is given here now. The two limits are clearly the values of x here. So immediately first we have to count into the two values also in terms of t we have to find. So that purpose immediately can take, you can write now, let x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 means the value of t equal to 0, because minus 1 whole power 5 equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Then x equal to 1, when you are taking that, the value of t equal to 2. That means the limits will become that 0 to 2 now. When you are taking the substitution, that means in place of x power 5 plus 1 equal to t, the limits will be 0 to 2. It's not minus 1 to 1. It's not minus 1 to 1. So all of you should remember that. Suppose after taking the substitution, it's like indefinite integrals. The limits, if you wrote the same thing, previous I also done the same thing only. Previous question in circles, area bounded region of by circles. I'm taking the same limits, but by taking the same limits, it's not at all possible. Okay, we are counting into in terms of t means the limits also compulsory we have to find. The values of t only we can find. Okay, the limits you can take 1 to 2. This is the content as is only 5 into x power 4 root t into dt by 5x power 4. And 5 into x power 4 will be cancelled. Then root t equal to, we know very well that t power 1 by 2. Then integrate the limits, you can 0 to 2 you can take. Now find the value. Then find the value of that. Okay. Still the previous question, it is the that last step, but answer you're getting that area equal to 0. That big procedure. We also in examination be careful. Suppose if you done one small mistake in the middle of the question, but definitely get wrong answer. For rectifying that, definitely will get a headache, because it is the lack of time within the short time you have to complete all those things. And suppose in the especially in India different integrals, sorry, application of integrals, whenever you find in the area of the bounded region, in that question, suppose if you done any one small mistake, you can't do anything. It will take so much time for rectifying that, because we have to take the 2 times upper limit minus lower limit we have to take really.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, application of integration comes for how many marks in test, sir? Like final exam,
compulsory you will get one essay question. Okay,
3 marks.
not 3 marks. One 3 marks question will be there. Compulsory one 3 marks question and one 5 marks question. 5 or 6 based on your board. Okay, the 2 questions will get compulsory. But finding the area of the bounded region by 2 circles will be rare case. But previously we done that one. If you take an ellipse are more important. Ellipse and line and circle and line, circle and 2 lines, and area bounded by a 2 parabolas. Important. The area bounded by a parabola and a circle, and the area bounded by a parabola and 2 lines, parabola and 2 lines, and these kind of, and area of the triangle, area of the triangle, and these questions are more important. Okay, because it's the we left one of the only one question is there. Based on the find the area bounded by the 2 circles, only one question is the that's why I gave this question now. But I gave this question, but at last somewhere we done that mistake. Where that once I can, that's also I am also searching for that. Suppose you were thinking about the only that question means, but rest of questions simply time waste. We can't do remaining questions. That's why the 3 more questions here now. Okay, so we'll do one more time. That was same question. No, no, okay, not an issue. First, you can learn perfectly the different integrals. When you're taking the substitution, then what we have to do that. All of you got his answer? Second one. What is answer? Anyone, please tell me. This one. Anirudh. Anirudh, please respond. Anirudh. Likita. Likita.
Sir,
This
Sir.
one you got the answer.
Sir, is it 4 by 3 root 2?
4 by 3 root 2. Very good. It will be correct only. 4 by 3 root 2. All of you, before these questions, you can write now different integrals. You can put the heading, because application of integrals is over. The last question, maybe it is in circles. In application of integrals, the answer we got some wrong. We got now. That is, we'll think it. Okay, we will see later.
Sir, application of derivatives is over, sir.
Application of derivatives we done na previous first book only.
Sorry, integrals. Application of integrals.
Over. Application integrals is enough. Okay. Application integrals over. That's all. Suppose if you want, you can see the any R.D. Sharma book or any NCERT book. You can check it. That's all. Okay. Only all of you one more time. We have to find the area of the ellipse and area of the parabola. Sorry, area of the circle we have to find, and the area bounded by a ellipse and line, the area bounded by circle and line, the area bounded by parabola and line, the area bounded by a 2 lines and a circle, the area bounded by 2 lines and parabola, 2 lines and parabola, the area bounded by two parabolas, the area bounded by one circle and parabola, the area bounded by two circles, and area of the triangle. That's all. Then all the concepts we covered. The same way, the area of the previous video, if they given trigonometric functions, okay, y equal to cos x and y equal to sin x, the two one curve, and as well as if they given limits. Two questions I gave you. Understood now? So these questions are important. It's enough. Okay. Right now, integration 0 to 1, integration 0 to 1, tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square into dx. Tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square into dx. Because for getting the idea, because previous question already, when you're taking the substitution, we are changing the limits. That's why I'm taking this kind of questions. We'll get more idea about regarding that. Yes, immediately first what we'll do, put 1 plus x square equal to, or okay, sorry, tan inverse of x equal to, you can take here now, t you can take. Differentiation tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into dt by dx. So the value of dx is equal to dt into 1 plus x square. We know very well. So when you're taking the substitution clearly, but these two values must be the values of x here. So we can find the value of t, you can find. So you can take now, let x equal to 0. The value of t equal to clearly tan 0 equal to how much? 0 na? 0 only. And when you take x equal to 1, the value of t equal to tan inverse of 1 equal to clearly, this is the pi by 4. So the limits will be pi by 4 here, 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. So you can substitute in there now. So therefore, integration of, already we are taking substitution, the limits you can change. 0 to pi by 4, and tan inverse x equal to, we are taking t 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square into dt. And clearly these will be cancelled. So integration of 0 to pi by 4, t into dt now. So integration of t equal to, clearly we know, t square by 2, t square by 2 here. So t square by 2, the limits will be 0 to pi by 4. Take it, t equal to pi by 2. So it is pi by 2 whole square by 2 minus 0 by 2 equal to 0 it is. So clearly you can write now pi square by 4 by 2 means you can write 1 by 2. So the answer is pi square by 8. Pi square by 8 is the answer for that. Oh, sorry, this is the pi by 4. Pi by 4. So pi square by 16, 32. Here also pi by 4 it is. Sorry, this is the 2 only. Pi square by 32. Next. Integration of 1 to 2 e power 2x into 1 to 2 e power 2x into 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square into dx. Integration of e power 2x into 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square into dx equal to how much? How to find this? How to find the value of that definite integrals?
So what are the limits, sir? 1
1
to?
to 2. 1 to 2.
Okay, sir.
Oh, the top one is the lighter. Okay. 1 to 2 it is. 1 to 2. Now same thing only. Here now, compulsory we have to take the substitution. One value. But anyhow e power 2x is there now. So you can take now, suppose put 2x equal to t. So based on that, the value of x equal to what you get, the value of x equal to t by 2 also will get. So these two numbers you can substitute later here. So different with respect to x now. So 2 equal to dt by dx, dt by dx. So the value of dx equal to dt by 2. One thing. Next, when you take in the substitution clearly, but these two numbers are the values of x here now. The converting into the values of t. So put x equal to, or else you can take let x equal to 1 I can take. Let x equal to 1 means the value of t equal to clearly 2, and let x equal to, if taken 2 means the value of t equal to 4. The limits you can change into 2 to 4 here. So therefore, integration of 2 to 4 e power t into 1 by the value of x equal t by 2 we got. Can take reciprocal means we'll get clearly 2 by t minus, okay, 1 by 2 into t by 2 whole square equal to, you can write now t square by 4. 2 in this number 2 times into dt by 2 now. dt by 2. So 1 by 2 you can take outside. So 1 by 2 into integration of 2 to 4 e power t into, this is the clearly can write now 2 by t minus 2 by t square. 2 by t square into dt. 2 by t square into dt now. Now I can find the integration. I think clearly we'll get these two values now. I think here one formula we have for this one. Integration of e power t into f of x minus f dash of x. I gave any formula previous to you? Integration of e power t into, or e power x into f of x minus f dash of x. I gave any formula previous? Okay, suppose if you don't know, you can directly do the
Sir,
ah
sir, how did we get 1 by 2 common, sir?
here the value of dx equal to, we got dt by 2 only, na?
Oh, yes.
Correct. Oh, this 2 is there, 1 by 2. We are taking the outside here. Because dt by 2 it is, 1 by 2 I am taking outside, dt only you can write. Okay. Now just you can apply the directly formulas. Suppose if you don't know formula means, directly also you can do that. If you want just once to go through the previous question also, the previous when you done the indifferent integrals on the time, I told you that. There also you can see. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. F dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x. That formula I gave previous, plus c. This formula I gave previous. This formula I can apply for that later. So now I can take 1 by 2 into, from the numerator you can take 2 common here now, outside. So 1 by 2 into 2, 2 to 4, 2 to 4 here. So e power t into, clearly 1 by t plus minus 1 by t square, minus 1 by t square into dt. Clearly observe that e power x into f of x plus f dash of x is equal to e power x into f of x. Clear, f of x equal to 1 by t now. Here 2 will be cancelled clearly. So this value equal, you can write e power t into f of x means 1 by t. The limits will be, can take here not 2 to 4 you can take. So upper limit minus lower limit. So e is power 4 into 1 by 4 1 by 4 minus e square into 1 by 2. E square into 1 by 2. Now what is the common? If you take an e square by 2, if you take an common means this is the e square by 2 minus 1 will get. E square by 2 minus 1. Or else you can multiply. Directly can write. Or else either this one I can write or else you can write no directly. E power 4 by 4 minus e square by 2. This also you can write. But anything will be correct. We'll do 2 more questions and we'll go into the properties of different integrals. Because these kind of questions we have to learn. But previous small integrations, you know very well that they get without substitution. We know very well. Directly we differentiate, integrate the given function. Upper limit minus lower limit we are taking. But when you are taking the substitution on the time only, small confusion in the different integrals. Because we have to change that. You completed? Right now all of you. Next question you can write. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, it's not visible. Zero to pi by 2 root of sine phi into cos square phi into cos phi into d phi. We have to find it. Cos power 5 it is. Okay. Cos power 5 into d phi. The question. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 root of sine phi into cos power 5 phi into d phi. How to calculate this? Here also compulsory we have to take the substitution, but directly now only we are not taking, because suppose if you take in the sine phi equal to, we are taking the t means, but differentiation of sine phi equal to will get cos phi. Maybe we will cancel that only one of the value. Understood now? So remaining also we have to change that, but changing also we will get. Now so what we have to do means I equal to, you can take integration of 0 to pi by 2. The root of sine phi you can write as it is only. Root of sine phi. I think this kind of questions also previous I saw in question paper, model question papers. Root of sine phi into this cos power 5 phi you can write now. Cos power 4 phi into cos phi into d phi you can write into d phi, because a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. 4 plus 1 equal to will get 5. Now you can change this value. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 root of sine phi you can write as it is only into the cos power 5 you can write now cos square phi whole square into cos phi into d phi. Cos phi into d phi. Any of you know very well that cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So you can write now integration of 0 to pi by 2 root of sine phi into this is, you can write now 1 minus sine square phi whole square into cos phi into d phi. Now we can take substitution. But compared to remaining, it is the sin phi is the majority, and if taken to sin phi equal to substitution means differentiation of sin phi equal to cos phi. clearly we'll get cancel this one. So you can write now, put sine phi equal to t you can take. So you can differentiate this value, cos phi equal to dt by d phi. dt by d phi. Now we can find it. So therefore, so you can write now d phi is equal to clearly dt by cos phi. dt by cos phi. Let's find that. But we are taking the substitution clearly. First, we have to change that because these all the values, whatever they given limits here now, the limits are the value of phi here. But we are taking the t. So compulsory we have to find the value of t we have to find. First, you can take let phi equal to 0. Phi equal to 0. Then the value of t equal to how much? Sin phi equal to sin 0 equal to 0 only. So clearly you can write now the value of t also equal to 0 you can write. Next, if taken phi equal to pi by 2, because second limit, phi equal to pi by 2, you can substitute in there now. Then the value of t equal to clearly will get sin pi by 2, clearly sin 90 equal to 1. So the limits is 0 to pi by 2, it's become that 0 to 1. 0 to 1 now. So both you can substitute in there now. So therefore, integration of, this is the value of I equal to integration of 0 to 1. The limits we are taking from 0 to 1 means clearly can change that this is the root of t in here first value and 1 minus t square whole square into cos phi into the d phi equal to clearly we got now dt by cos phi. So cos phi will be cancelled. Now we can simplify this value. Integration of 0 to 1. This is the root t into square root of t into 1 minus t square whole square. You can expand that. 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square into dt now. Into dt. Anyhow clearly root t equal to t power 1 by 2. Just you can change this value 0 to 1 now. And root t equal to t power 1 by 2 into 1. So t power 1 by 2 plus t power 1 by 2 into t power 4. So 1 by 2 plus 4 equal to 9 by 2. Is correct. T power 9 by 2 minus 2 into t power 1 by 2. Suppose if you want, you can take here now. 1 by 2 plus 4 equal to 2 LCM. This is the 9. The same thing I wrote here now. Plus into minus equal to minus 2 is the constant you can take. So t power 1 by 2 into t square equal to 1 by 2 plus 2. Clearly this is equal to 5 by 4. So 2 into t power 5 by 4 into dt. Now you can integrate and you can substitute in that upper limit and minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit you can substitute in there. So integration of 0 to 1. So clearly can take directly integration of t power 1 by 2 equal, you can write now t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus this is the t power 9 by 2, t power 9 by 2 plus 1 by 9 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into t power 5 by 2 plus 1 by, this is the 5 by 2 plus 1. 5 by 2 plus 1. The limits will be, you can write clearly that 0 to 1 as the limits. 0 to 1. Now I can simplify that. T power 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. So this is the 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2. First value. 9 by 2 plus 1 equal to 11 by 2. All of you 1 minute. Hello? Nikhil, tell me. I have Google Pay for me, both are there. Okay, do. Okay. Okay. So t power 3 by 2 and 9 by 2 plus 2 1 equal to 11 by 2. So t power 11 by 2, you can write 2 by 11 into t power 11 by 2 minus Here also you can write out 2. 7 by 2 we got now. So 2 by 7 into t power 7 by 2. The limits will be, you can write 1 to 0 are the limits. 1 to 0. So you can take upper limit minus lower limit. If you want directly, you can take. Anyhow, 1 power anything equal to, will get 1 only. If you take an upper limit here, means substitution means 1 power anything equal to 1. So 2 by 3 plus 2 by 11 minus 4 by 7. If you take in 0, means 0 for anything equal to, you will get clearly 0. So you can take directly. So what is the LCM of that? What is the LCM of 3 comma 11 comma 7? Please tell me. LCM of 3 comma 11 comma 7. What is LCM? All prime numbers only. All are prime numbers. That means 3 into 11 into 7. 3 will be cancelled. Remaining these two are there. So 2 into 11 into 7 plus 11 will be cancelled. So 3 into 7 into 2 plus 7 will be cancelled. So minus 4 into 3 into 11. Simplify that. 2 11s are 22 or 77. Double it, 154 plus 21 and means so 42 minus 33 4s are 120 132 whole by the product of these three values equal to 231 and sum of these two numbers equal to 196 minus 132 whole by 231. The difference equal to how much? 64. 64 by 231. 64 by 231 is the answer for that. Okay, this is the we call as the substitution method for the different integrals. Substitution method for definite integrals. You got it? Respond anyone? Ritesh? Ritesh? Teshwini?
Sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Rachna? Rachna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because without understanding that for different integrals, that's why they introduce the starting different integrals, later application of derivatives. Sorry, application of integrals. But this concept is important to us. If you know this concept perfectly, then application of integrals we will do easily that. Today we'll do the same thing only, and next class we will do one class, the properties of integrals. I'll give the proof of every okay property, and based on that we will take one example also. Yes, I got now. What is that? Okay. The reason is just okay. Alright, no doubt, because previous also I think 5 students they have sent to me only. Okay, I take the names already. Okay, no problem. And one more important question you can write now. But anyhow, I think CBSE board, but definite integrals it's not there for examination. But even though you can land, but don't think like it's not there, but don't need to land. Next one, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Sin x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Already we done the so many questions previous by using substitution. Anyone please respond and just you can tell me. After completing this question, then you can respond. Then what we had to take the substitution there? Tell me anyone. In this question, then what will take substitution here? Substitution.
Cos square x, sir.
But if you take in cos square x, well, differentiation of cos square x, 2 cos x into minus sin x, correct? Okay, maybe we'll get cancel that one only sin x. Then what about cos square again? Okay, but suppose if you take in only one single, what is that you can write now? Put cos x equal to t you can take. That means clearly we'll get only sin. Sin will be cancelled. So minus 1 by 1 plus x square means 1 plus t square you will get. Correct? So differentiate this value now. So minus sin x equal to dt by dx. So the value of dx equal to you can write now minus dt by sin x. But clearly when you're taking the substitution, we have to change the limits also because these limits are the value of x. Now you can write now, let the value of x equal to 0. That implies the value of t equal to cos 0 equal to how much? 1 na? Cos 0 equal to 1. Next, when you are taking that x equal to pi by 2, the value of t must be equal to 0. The value of t equal to will get 0 now. Okay, that means 1 to 0 we have to take. 1 to 0, the limits will be. So now we can substitute in there. So I equal to integration of 1 to 0. So sin x right as is only sin x by 1 plus t square into dt by minus dt by sin x. And these will be cancelled. These two are cancelled. Now if you want, you can take minus take outside, integration of 1 to 0. This is the 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now I think you know the formula that how much? Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. That means integration of 1 by a square plus x square. What is the formula? What is the formula? 1 by 2 in 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a na? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So substitute in there now. So I equal to minus of, so you can take clearly that one, integration 1 by a means clearly what you get, tell me now. The 1 by a equal to will get 1 only, because the value of a equal to 1. So 1. Or else if you want, you can write the formula. Here, if write, take formula here now. Since integration of 1 by a square plus x square into dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. This formula we are applying here now. The same thing. So I equal to, you can take minus of 1 by a means clearly you can write now the value of a equal to 1 only into tan inverse of the value of x equal to t by 1, the 1 to 0, minus of tan inverse of t it is the 1 to 0. So minus of the tan inverse of 0 minus tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 it is. So minus of, and tan inverse of 0 equal to how much? Tan inverse 0, 0 only, minus. But tan inverse of 1 equal to pi by 4. So minus into minus equal to plus. Plus pi by 4 is the answer for that. Plus pi by 4. Next, after this is I am not solving. All of you can try yourself that. I'll give the question here. Okay, all of you can try yourself and tell me answer. Integration of 0 to 1 sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Already we done in inverse trigonometry, also we done, and derivatives also we done the same thing. Take substitution. The value of x equal to, we have to take something. Okay, and the rest of procedure will be same. Just you can tell me the final answer to me.
Sir, pi by 2, sir.
How much?
Sir, I'm getting pi by 2.
One more term you left, once you can check it. Pi by 2 minus log 2. Pi by 2 minus log 2. Take already previous we are taken, we done this problem. Put x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta you can take. Okay, differentiate now. Now clearly we'll get 1 equal to,
Yes, sir.
correct now. What is the differentiation of tan theta now? Or else you can take directly, nothing definite is. First you can simplify this value, later you can take it. So if you take and simplify this function means what you get, sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to, clearly we know that one, sin inverse of sin 2 theta na, sin 2 theta. Okay, then you can, this will be cancelled. It is equal to 2 theta means you can write now 2 tan inverse of x, where your theta equal to how much, tan inverse of x here now. So everything you can substitute in there. So therefore you can take integration of 0 to 1 and sin inverse of that value clearly we got now. Sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to into dx equal to, you can write clearly that integration of 0 to 1, this is equal to, we got clearly 2 into tan inverse of x into dx. 2 is the constant value, you can take outside. 2 constant take outside. So the value of I equal to 2 into tan inverse of x equal to integration of tan inverse of x. What is the formula we have? Integration of tan inverse of x. How to find that directly? But this also be done in the different integrals. Integration of tan inverse of x. What is the value? Directly formula we don't have. And the time we done the by parts method we done. We done there now by parts. So what is the by parts will take? The value of 2 is the constant value. This is the, you can take here now f of x and g of x you can take. So you can write clearly so I equal to 2 into f of x tan inverse of x into integration of 1 into dx minus integration of d by dx of tan inverse of x into integration of 1 into dx into whole into dx by parts. No bracket you can take. So the value of I equal to again 2 into the tan inverse of x. Integration of 1 equal to, clearly you will get x only, minus integration of differentiation of tan inverse of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into x, again whole into dx. The limits also you can take here. The limits also, that means first I am simplifying, later we are substituting value there. We are substituting value. Or else if you want, you can take directly also, nothing happen, no need, okay. Or else here you can take 0 to 1. You can apply here now. That is your choice. Okay, the 2 you can take later. This is the value of only integration of tan inverse of x only. Integration of tan inverse of x. So clearly you can write this value x into tan inverse of x minus integration of x by 1 plus x square into dx. And here also we done the same method again by applying that, what is that, substitution method. So here 1 plus x square equal to, you can take here now t. Clearly we will get 2x is equal to dt by dx. That implies the value of dx equal to dt by 2x. Everything you can substitute in there now. So x into tan inverse of x minus integration of x by t into dt by 2x. X and x also will be cancelled. So this one clearly you can write now x into tan inverse of x minus log t, means log modulus of t plus c will get. So x into tan inverse of x minus the value of x t equal to, we are taking log modulus of 1 plus x square plus c. Now this entire thing you can substituting in the given problem it is. Then what we have to find? Now we can apply the limits there. Now we can apply the limits. So therefore, I is equal to 2 is the constant value. So integration of this entire thing equal to, clearly we got this. So what is that? X into tan inverse of x minus log modulus of 1 plus x square. The limits now we can take here now 0 to 1. The limits now we can take 0 to 1. Now you can find it. Upper limit minus lower limit you can take. Upper limit means 1 into tan inverse of 1 minus log modulus of 2 minus, anyhow we have taken the 0 means 0 and anything will become that 0 only, and I think we will get only this value, and minus of 0 minus log 1 it is. Log 1. Log 1. So simplify that. 2 into tan inverse of 1 equal to, clearly we know that pi by 4 minus, this is the log 2 and minus into minus equal to, can write now plus log 1. So the value of I equal to 2 into the pi by 4 minus log 1 minus log 2 equal to plus log 1 by 2. Log 1 by 2. Understood? This is the final answer for that. If you want, you can simplify this. I equal to 2 into pi by 4 equal to, you can write now pi by 2 plus 2 log 1 by 2. 2 log 1 by 2.
Sir, minus no, sir.
Minus,
Pi by 2.
1 minute. That means I am taking here now. Okay, from this one you are taking the minus common. That also you can do. Suppose, okay, this also fine. This also fine. Or else suppose if you take a minus common means this also correct only. But don't do any, don't think that it's the wrong it is. No, it will be correct only. If you take a minus
sir.
also, because I am taking log 1 minus log 2. This is the
Yes,
positive,
sir.
this is the negative. Then we get the as it is. Or else suppose from this one you can take minus common now. To take a minus common means what you get, tell me? Log 2 minus log 1, na?
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Log 1. now. So log a minus log b equal to log. This also correct. Either this also you can write or this also will be correct only. Okay. So
Sir,
what you
how?
get? Huh? What is that?
Sir, but both the answers are different, no, sir.
Both the answers, sir. No, no,
Different,
no, no. We are simplifying that. We have formula is there, na? 1 by 2 into log 2. It is equal to, clearly what you can write now? Log 2 per 1 by 2. Understood now? We will change the values there. Okay. This is the log 2 only. Clearly. It will be only
Yes, sir.
log 2. And here also 2 is there, na? You can write now 2 into log 2, na? Into 2 means. So pi by 2 minus 2 log 2. This also it's fine. That. One into tan inverse of, correct. 1 means log modulus of 2. What? Minus of 0 minus log 1. We left any one of the number there in the problem itself. We left anything for taking common there.
Sir, answer is pi by 2 minus log 2, sir.
The where you done that? Oh, here 1 by 2 you are missed out. Correct? It's correct only. Here 1 by 2 is there, na? 1 by 2 is there. That means this also what you get. If you take n, the first thing is correct only. So 1 by 2 here. Correct now? Here also will get 1 by 2 into. It's fine. The first one is correct only 2 into this one. But here also you can write now minus 1 by 2. So here also you can write now minus 1 by 2. And this also you can write now minus 1 by 2. Pi by 4. So clearly from this one you can take here now 1 by 2 common you can take. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into this one, and here also plus 1 by 2 into this. So 1 by 2 you can take outside, and 2 will be cancelled log 2. It's okay. Here 1 by 2 is there, but still we are not taking that 1 by 2 here now. Previous. In the same way, just I'll give you one more question. No? You can try yourself at home. Okay. Okay, or else tomorrow will continue. No problem that. By this week, we will complete this different integrals also. Along with the proofs, we will complete everything. Okay. And next week by Monday, we'll start differential equations. Clear now today class? And one more thing. Starting we done the one problem with circles. Okay. So one more time, all of you once go through that from the beginning. Once you can check it. Today for you, that is only homework. Okay. Anirudh, you're not responding. Starting this class is today's class is starting. We done the area bounded by the circles. We done everything is fine. Maybe that last somewhere a small mistake we done. Understood now. So once you can go through, once you can check it, where you done the mistake that. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue. Means the next class we will do the same concept only. Different integral substitution, and half of the time I'll give the at least 2 to 3 properties I'll give you. And the Friday class will complete the remaining of properties also will complete. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు